In this video, I have a gift for you guys. Not only am I going to show you how you can earn $1 over and over again to your PayPal account, I'm also going to give you this done for you entire system that will do this for you. I'm going to give this to you completely for free, and I'm also going to show you proof of my earnings from this. I'm also going to show you how you can get access to over 12,000 other different products and methods like this, that you can set up multiple streams of income doing this. And I'm also going to give you secret access to an app that will completely blow this up for you. This video is really going to be value packed. You're going to learn a ton of valuable information. This is something that I do full time myself, off of YouTube and off of my other business models. This is something I'm growing and really started to see a good income pretty quickly from this. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, because I'm uploading on the daily on how you can make money online, build an online brand, and build an online business. My name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur from South Africa, and I'm very excited to document my journey on this channel on making money online. So if you want to join that journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome and value-packed video just like this one, so you can get to that first, beat the competition, and make the most money online. So this method is going to consist of quite a couple of platforms. All I'll ask is 10-20 minutes of your time, and this is something that can actually be life-changing. So the first thing that I want to show you guys, and I'm really going to simplify this for you and literally spoon feed you and give you everything in this video at the end of this video. So the first thing I want to show you is this landing page over here. I know this is quite perhaps foreign to some of you. Landing page, you need coding knowledge, and that you don't need any coding knowledge, as I'm going to give this to you. So this is the page that generates me $1 every 60 seconds. You'll see it's a bulletproof keto guide that I didn't even create this product myself. I didn't even need to write anything out. This product is already here for us to go and sell, and I've actually found this cool automatic little trick that will generate $1 sales on this ebook over and over again. So just to quickly show you how this works, you'll see when people click on get your copy now, it's going to ask them for on this page, do you have a coupon? Currently this ebook costs $29, but I've made a coupon for this product called Keto VIP, where then they enter this, where they get this entire bulletproof keto diet ebook for only $1. So why we've done this is because this is a brilliant way to attract in sales and a great way to get people into this product and get a ton of sales literally every few seconds and every few minutes with the method that I'm going to show you in this video. So then what happens is they click on continue, they enter their billing information, and then it will take them to this little section on the pop-up where they can actually upgrade their order and add this keto diet cookbook for an extra $4. So you'll see when they check this, they can submit and pay you $5. And this is also a product you can get completely for free, and I'm going to show you how you can get this right now. So this is not only a great way to generate $1 every couple of 60 seconds or a few minutes, this is also a great way to do this with $5 offers with this upgrade on the checkout. So this is a great way to 5 times your income with this method. And don't worry, you don't need to set this up, as I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video. But this video is explaining how we're going to put this into action and how you can earn off of this. So like I said, you don't have to worry about coming up with any of these pictures, any of these texts, any of these reviews. This landing page is entirely done for you by me, and I'm giving this to you. And why am I doing this? Because I'm just giving free value here, and I want you guys to get results with this. So in order to get these ebooks that you can actually resell and make an income off of, come over to a website called idplr.com. You get access to over 12,590 different products, ebooks. You can see on the side here, tons of them in various different niches, in so many different categories, and you can build something like this with 4 to 5 different products, and you can literally build 4 to 5 different streams of income doing something like this. It's insanely powerful with what you can do with this. So all I did was I came over to IDPLR, I searched keto, and you can find all the products that you need for this method. So here's the bulletproof keto diet, here's the diet book here, and here's the cookbook. So you can click on these products, you can sign in with your account, and you can then download these completely for free. And then from there, once people have purchased this cookbook at either the $4 upgrade or the standard $1, I've set this funnel to come over to this landing page as the thank you page. So you'll see, it will say your purchases have been sent to your email. But we have one more secret weapon. So make sure to keep watching with me, because I'm going to explain to you now how we can build multiple streams of income from this from multiple different businesses. So you're setting up multiple streams of income with multiple different products. That's how awesome this is. So this basically just says, imagine if you can take an extra fast shortcut to ketosis. Imagine if you could boost your fat burning speed while still consuming carbs. Well, now you can do this with a customized quiz for you. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get these $1 to $5 sales on this every couple of seconds and every couple of minutes. Then I've got the screenshot of this video over here and this watch free video and take quiz. So you'll see when I click on this, it's going to take me to the customketodiet.com website where they can actually purchase this entire plan for about $70. It's an entire keto course, done for you, customized meal plan, everything. But one thing I want you to notice, this is actually my affiliate link to this custom keto diet. So not only I'm earning the $1 and the $5 over and over again from the ebooks, I'm also earning $40 in sales from this commission plan that Custom Keto Diet has for you to be their affiliate. So all you do is you can be an affiliate for them completely for free. You can come over to ClickBank, you can just click on the search bar on the find products, filter this by gravity, and you will see over here, number 3 is the Custom Keto Diet. So on average, you get $45.26 for a sale on this page. That's your affiliate link. So what this does is this company gives you a unique link. When you make a sale through that unique link, this company gives you a commission kind of as a thank you for promoting their product. That's what this is. So that's already 3 ways of earning. That's the $1 book, the $4 upgrade, and then this $40 upsell on that entire funnel that I've just shown you. And don't worry, I'm giving this all to you at the end of this video that you can literally just copy and paste. So what I thought of is using one of the best ways and the most viral ways to get a ton of free traffic in today's society. That is with the use of Instagram. So I actually want to show you a page that I've been doing this off of. The only thing I've done is I've removed my link to the actual landing page over here, because what people do is they click on it after my video and they will actually go and copy all that content without even giving a damn about the copyright issues and that, and they actually just mess everything up. So I don't actually show that link on my page. So you're going to create an Instagram page, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can blow this page up. You don't need to create your own content. I'm going to give you access to a secret app that will actually help you blow this up completely, and I'm going to give you the perfect example of what you should have in your bio. So you'll see over here, I've got this page where I post like motivational quotes, but in my bio, I've got the secret to lose 20 pounds in 28 days, the complete $29 guide to start with keto. Then I've got here, use code KETOVIP to get $28 off, build a healthy and diet mindset, and then you'll have a link to this landing page over here in your bio. But obviously we need to go and get traffic to this, and you'll see over here on my PayPal, I have been getting sales with this to show you proof. Only thing I'm going to hide out is the names of the people, as those are personal names. So you can see $1 was the ebook, $4, $1, this was me withdrawing to my South African account, payment from something else, $1, other something else, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. So I'm constantly getting payments from this actual page, and it's not huge loads, but I mean, considering this is, I've been posting only 31 posts, I've been posting for about half a month, and I'm already seeing this kind of income. The potential of this is completely massive, and how you can actually make money off of this is completely massive, because remember, on top of this, I'm also getting 1 or 2 sales on ClickBank with the affiliate program. And you'll see none of this content is mine. You'll see I've only got 79 followers in half a month. That's amazing growth. You will see my posts are getting 55 likes, 16 likes, 12 likes, 10 likes, 14 likes. That's very good engagement. It's about 20 to 30%, which is very, very good. But this is not even my content. All I'm doing is copying posts from other people's pages and giving them credit. You're allowed to do this on Instagram. There's nothing wrong with it. It's completely ethical, and you can do this to get a lot of traffic to your page. So you'll see over here, these hashtags are just hashtags I'm using off the secret app to generate me viral hashtags to get a ton of likes. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the search bar on Instagram. You're going to type in food. You want to find a whole bunch of food pages with viral food content. I'm going to open up all of these in new tabs that you can literally go and copy and post on your page, and as long as you give them credit, you can replicate viral success on Instagram. So you'll see, for example, on this page over here with 10.2 million followers, Food Network, you can see 13k likes, 435,000 views, 22,000 views. These are videos that you can go and download, post on your page, and as long as you tag this page, you give them credits, you completely can do that. So you can come over to Google, type in Instagram video download, or Instagram picture download. You'll see there's a website called downloadgram.com. All you do is you paste the link. So you click on a video. Let's take this one, for example. You click over here on the 3 dots. You click on that copy link. You come over to this page, paste this link, and you'll be able to download this image or this video to your local PC and repost that on your Instagram. And then what I want you to do is, before you post that, I'm going to show you that secret app. Come over to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you want to download an app called #Experts. I'm not an affiliate or anything for that. It's just a tool that I use to grow my Instagram. And how this works is, when you enter, I'll show you an example here. When you enter a hashtag or a term into this app will generate you a whole bunch of hashtags that you can copy onto your post, trending hashtags right now in this minute and second, that will get you a ton of likes off the explore page. So you'll see, for example, this person on this picture put in hip hop. It generated them a ton of viral hashtags related to hip hop, and that you can just copy by tapping on it and pasting that in your post, and that's the best way to go viral. So what I really like about this, you've got this app to help you go viral. You've already got viral content on your page and you're giving them credit. You've got this link in your bio, and because you've got this coupon that's telling them you're getting like $28 off, you're leading them into the funnel. This is something where you can actually get a few sales overnight. If you do create a professional page, you can go create a nice little page of Canva or something like that and completely grow this page, post once to twice a day, completely viral content. And then I'm going to show you now a second tool that can actually completely automate this for you, and completely automate up to 16 different pages like this. So you can create or copy this landing page, create 16 different versions of them, 16 different Instagram accounts in different various niches, and that can be 16 streams of income. That's how powerful this is. So you can come over to a website called Post Early, which is an extra tool that I'm showing you. I'm not an affiliate for it. I'm just showing you this tool. You can go over to postearly.com. And if I actually come down, let me come to the pricing tab to show you what you're going to get. And they're not ridiculously expensive. They actually have a free plan and a basic plan starting at $4, $16, and $65. The perfect plan is $16. And what this tool does is, when someone follows you, you can automatically send them a welcome DM. They also give you automatic generated hashtags. You can automatically post on your page for the next 30 days. So what you can do is, you can go and download like 60 pieces of this viral content, set this up in Post Early, and your Post Early account will automatically post this on your page for the next 2 months, 60 days, 30 days being 1 month, so that's 2 months, and you can have automated Instagram pages literally over the next 2 months. And you set this up over 16 accounts. You can see with the professional plan, you can connect up to 16 accounts with unlimited posting. Think of the kind of power and the kind of stream of income that you can set up. It's very powerful, but I'm not going to promise you the world. I'm not going to promise you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars on day one, but this is something that you can literally scale to that in under a year. You're also going to get automatic follows, unfollows, auto likes, auto comments, and this is basically an organic tool to grow your Instagram page and build a much better connection with your current audience on Instagram. So before you go and take action, just go have a look at some of these other food pages, because obviously it's related to keto, it's related to healthy foods. Have a look at the kind of content they post and get an idea. You can choose any of these posts, post them on your page, as long as you give them credit. Make sure you always give them credit and you actually tag them in this post. You can do the same with story features as well. Make sure you tag them. So in order for you to get started with this, obviously the first thing that you're going to need is this landing page right here. So for you to get this, all I want you to do is just leave a like on this video if you've enjoyed it so far. And if you're new, subscribe down below. And if you are currently subscribed, put the bell on as well so that you can get a notification every time I upload. And then comment down below with I'm ready, and I'll reply to that comment with the link to this bonus. You'll see on that page there's going to be a little prompt or a little pop-up where you've got to enter your name and email. Make sure that you enter the right email on that page, because after 6 hours after you sign up on this bonus page, I'm going to send you a login to your email with your email and your password to log into my private membership area, where you can go and access this entire done for you funnel. There's a video on that landing page or on that membership area that will explain to you step by step exactly how to import this and exactly how to use it. So I'm holding your hand throughout the process, so don't worry about that. I will explain everything to you on that membership area. So make sure to go and do that so you can get access to this landing page and replicate this entire thing. But also, one thing I want to make you guys aware of before you go and put this into action. I'm not sure how many views this video get, whether it's 2,000, a couple of thousand of views. If every one of you go and replicate this exact same page, think about it. It might get oversaturated. For a lot of you, it might not work. So it's also up to you to go have a look on IDPLR, go choose other products in other niches as well. You can edit this page with a basic drag and drop builder, which is all explained in the membership area on how you can do that. No technical knowledge needed. This tool also gives you a whole free training university completely for free that will show you how to do that. So you're being spoon-fed, your hand is being held along the whole way. And as I was saying, you can choose something in a completely different niche, such as solo ads, print-on-demand playbook, email list building. You can do something on YouTube channels, growing your YouTube channel. You can go get like a little YouTube course on ClickBank as the upsell, a business playbook, a buy traffic to generate. There's so many different products and niches that you can choose. So don't everybody go and choose the keto diet. You can use it if you wanted to try it out, but it's also up to you to set up different things as well, because like I said, there's a high chance that this can get saturated. So I'm trying to cater for everybody watching this video so that this can work for everybody. But guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you learned a ton of information in this video. Make sure to leave your comments, your likes, and your subscribes down below so you can get that bonus. But on the screen, I'm also going to leave a link to my best affiliate marketing playlist where you can get an idea on how affiliate marketing works, building funnels works, and all of that, so you can learn more about that and get a lot of free value right here on YouTube. There's no upsell to some $2,000 course. All of this is for free on YouTube right here. So make sure to go and click on this playlist on the screen. It will take you to the playlist. There's about 25 videos in that playlist that will help you out. So make sure to click on that, and I will see you there.